Daging hasil kultivasi sel menjadi salah satu opsi guna mengurangi dampak lingkungan peternakan industrial, sambil juga mengurangi penderitaan binatang yang menjadi sumber makanan manusia.
Cultured meat or cultivated meat is the production of meat without using the whole animal, but using animal cells. I see cultivated meat existing in the future. You can find it next to traditional meat in your supermarkets.
Upside Foods bermarkas di Berkeley, negara bagian California, adalah salah satu perusahaan rintisan yang mengembangkan daging hasil kultivasi sel.
Essentially, cultivated meat is meat grown from animal cells. It's delicious meat, the meat we love to eat, and in this instance, we are actually selling chicken. So we've grown chicken from animal cells, and we're selling it to customers that love the product.
Penjualan daging hasil kultivasi di Amerika Serikat mendapat lampu hijau dari regulator pada pertengahan 2023. Tapi sejak itu, daging yang dikembangkan dengan metode ini baru dikonsumsi secara terbatas. Termasuk saat acara mencicipi daging hasil kultivasi sel di Miami, negara bagian Florida ini.
When you cook it, it like sizzles and cooks just like chicken, which was insane. And then when you go to eat it, it's juicy. It kind of has the same texture as chicken. I mean, as a chef, to see that and see it work and have it taste just like chicken, I mean, it is chicken, but it was just insane.
Karena benar-benar merupakan daging, bukan pengganti daging berbahan nabati, tekstur dan rasanya masih relatif memuaskan banyak konsumen pemakan daging.
No, it's like eating a chicken breast. I mean, of course, it's cooked nicely with the spices, but it's like if you tell me it's cultivated chicken or real chicken, I wouldn't tell the difference.
I would say the texture itself is like a little bit different, but the taste was like really, really good. Like way better than I was expecting. It was really good.
Acara ini digelar sebelum berlakunya larangan menjual daging hasil kultivasi sel di Florida. Alasan utama di balik larangan ini adalah kecemasan soal keselamatan konsumen.
I think we should be allowed to eat what we choose to eat. I mean, Florida is all about free market and choice and personal choice and everything, personal liberties. Why can't we eat what we want to eat? I mean, if it's bad for us, not that I believe it is, I think the science is proven, but even if it is, why can't we eat it?
Florida bersama Alabama termasuk negara bagian pertama yang melarang penjualan daging jenis ini. Dan larangan serupa juga bergulir di negara bagian lain dan juga secara federal. Selain kendala regulasi dan resistensi dari sebagian pihak, penjualan daging hasil kultivasi sel juga terhambat oleh relatif tingginya harga daging seperti ini dibandingkan daging hasil peternakan. Perlu peningkatan permintaan secara signifikan untuk harga daging hasil kultivasi sel ini bisa lebih terjangkau. Dari Washington DC, saya Nova Purwadi dan tim VOA.